Why is intersectionality vital for true workforce diversity? Imagine walking into a workplace where everyone's experience is different, shaped by many parts of who they are. Now think about how these parts can overlap and create unique challenges or advantages. That's what intersectionality is all about. It's a way to understand how race, gender, age, disability, and social class all come together to influence a person's work life. In the United States, demographic data shows that many employees have multiple identities that affect how they are treated at work. For example, a Latina woman might face different hurdles than a white woman or a Latino man. If a company only looks at race or gender separately, they miss how these identities combine to create specific experiences. This can lead to policies that don't fully support or include all employees. When we think about employment and labor force participation, it's clear that some groups face more barriers than others. Women of color often earn less than white women or men of color, showing how race and gender issues intersect. People with disabilities who are also from lower socioeconomic backgrounds might find it even harder to get good jobs. Recognizing these overlapping identities helps employers see the full picture and address the real issues. From a socioeconomic point of view, workforce diversity isn't just about having different faces in the room. It's about fairness in hiring, pay, promotions, and workplace culture. Intersectionality helps reveal how unfair systems, like racism or sexism, work together to keep certain groups from advancing. For example, immigrant workers with disabilities might face multiple obstacles that prevent them from accessing the same opportunities as others. Using an intersectional approach means creating policies that consider many factors at once. It involves collecting detailed data on how different identities overlap, so companies can identify which groups face the most challenges. It also means building a workplace culture that respects and values all experiences, not just ticking boxes for diversity. Employers can tailor their recruitment and retention efforts to meet the specific needs of employees with overlapping identities. This might include mentorship programs for women of color or flexible work options for employees with disabilities from lower-income backgrounds. These steps help make workplaces fairer and more supportive for everyone. In the end, understanding intersectionality is key to achieving true workforce diversity. It moves beyond simple categories and looks at the complex reality of employees' lives. This approach leads to more effective diversity and inclusion efforts, making workplaces more equitable, welcoming, and productive for all.